How to check if a column exists in Pandas. How do I check if a column exists in a Pandas dataframe DF? How would I check if the column exists in the above dataframe so that I can compute? And if it doesn't exist?
This will work. But for clarity, I'd probably write it as
To check if one or more columns all exist, you can use set.issueSet as in. As Brian points out in a comment, set can alternatively be constructed with curly braces. See this question for a discussion of the curly braces syntax. Or, you can use a generator comprehension, as in.
Just to suggest another way without using if statements, you can use the get method for data frames. For performing the sum based on the question. The dataframe get method has similar behavior as Python dictionaries.
You can use the set method issueSet.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.